expertly crafted to be your inside-out approach to vitality and wellness. Yarrow Palm naturally revitalizes your skin and supports a healthy inflammatory response. Yarrow Palm is a first-of-its-kind active botanical nutritive duo that combines the unique benefits of yarrow essential oil with the life-enhancing qualities of cold-pressed pomegranate seed oil. Yarrow Palm has an herbaceous, fruity, spicy aroma that provides powerful antioxidant support, cellular, immune, and nervous system support, supports healthy metabolic functions, calming effects to the mind and body, soothing to the skin while helping reduce blemishes, revitalizing support to the skin. Yarrow Palm is designed for internal and topical use. For internal use, take 1 to 2 drops of Yarrow Palm morning and night to support a healthy metabolism and promote a healthy immune and inflammatory response in the body. For more youthful, radiant-looking skin, apply 1 to 2 drops to the face, back of hands, or on blemishes. To enhance your skincare regimen, after using doTERRA's Reveal Facial System, replenish your skin with Yarrow Palm. Add to doTERRA's Anti-Aging Moisturizer, or in combination with doTERRA's Spa Body Butter for an all-over revitalizing glow. Yarrow Palm can also be used during a relaxing massage to provide an emotional uplift and soothe tension. Glow from the inside out with Yarrow Palm.